Hello and welcome to the Outsourcing AI channel. To make a photo shoot, we need a high-resolution camera, expensive background and lighting. But if I said, all these instruments are no longer needed. Now you can make this type of photo shoot by using AI. Do you want your products to look stunning like this without spending much money and time on product photography? Well, I've got just what you need. So let's check it out. First type flare.ai. Then we will come to this website. After logging into our Gmail, we will register and work on this website. First of all, we have seen the product pricing. I can work on 10 projects without any problems and create 100 designs in a month. So here we can use multiple Gmail for practice and free use. Here there are also Pro and Pro Plus features. Here I go for free. First, click Get Started for free. So I browsed on Google and downloaded a JPG formatted picture of a perfume bottle from the Gucci brand. Upload the perfume picture in flare.ai. This AI automatically removes the photo background. Describe the product name. If you face a problem, go to the Edit button and click on Remove Background and search accordingly to select the product picture. Here has also two buttons, front and back, to adjust the photo with the background. Here, if the background that I will select may not look good after adjusting to the picture, in that case I will select another background. Now I download the picture. Again I generate another picture and download all the pictures in JPG format. Besides, if you find it difficult to choose the right design for your product, there are many templates here. You can see the template designs to get an idea of what kind of design will be perfect for your product. Click on Generate. It will take a few seconds. After 100% complete, the final look will be seen. Again I generate another picture and download all the pictures in JPG format. This is the final photo shoot look of our perfume photo. Just wow! What a nice editing. If we zoom in on the image, we can see how beautifully finished the borderline of the product is. If I arrange a photo shoot for the look, it takes cost for a high-resolution camera, expensive background and lighting. But this AI allowed us to create a product photo shoot in less than a minute. Here I made another photo shoot of a Nutella fruit juice and a Nescafe bottle photo shoot. So please write how you liked today's video by commenting. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to get more new updates.